Choose you this day whom you will serve. As for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Alright, this morning, I come to put my sweatpants on to go outside, and it's over here in this corner, and it's wet. The whole carpet's damp. What on earth? I remember putting my rain suit over here a few days ago, but it didn't drip any water, and it wasn't wet like this. The carpet's wet. And I said, oh no, is my supply line getting wet? So I took my drawers out and I checked it, and no, it's dry. Okay. A little later today, I was walking around with my bare feet, and I happened to notice it's wet right here too. And I said, oh, I know there's a drain right here. I wonder if that drain is leaking. Even though it didn't make a lot of sense because of the way it's shaped down in there. So I went had to pry that off, and I'll explain that in just a minute. We'll get down there and I'll take a look. It took me a while of fighting, but I got that plate off because it's got these stupid square bits, and a Phillips head don't fit in, and I got a square bit somewhere. I just didn't want to look for it, so it took way too long to take that off. But anyway, I go down in here, start looking around, saying, what could it be? And right there, boom, wet spot. And it's even dripping a little bit. When I turned the cold water on, it seemed. But then I shut it off, it's still dripping. So I know it's not the faucet, like it was with the, like I was having problems with the other sink. That little drip tells me there's a big leak. So, come back around here where I remember putting the faucet in a couple years ago. And, well shoot, it looks dry. I even put my hand over here. And dry. But way on back in this corner right there, drip. Uh-oh. Does this fitting have to be replaced because it's one of these crimp-on connectors and I ain't got the crimp? Or maybe it was even leaking from right here. I was worried. Well, fortunately, I got on there with a pair of pliers, tightened it up gently and snug, which it seemed to be just a, I don't know, half turn off. Worked itself loose or something, I don't know. And then I started worrying, feeling up here, still kind of feeling wet. It was just some trapped water in there, but I was worried about it coming out from... Well, it appears I hit the screen the wrong way and stopped the video recording, which is too bad because Jaybird had just flown into the bathroom with me to say hey, and I got a little footage of him up on the mirror and even shot a shot of myself staring back at the camera. Oh well, at least I got the good footage that I wanted for this video. Alright everybody, until next time. Answer the phone, Joshua!